Hey guys, while you're on your ski, are you still taking videos like this, handheld, getting shots like this? Well, do yourself a favor and put your hands back on your bars, drive your ski, leave the selfie sticks to us, grab one of these mounts from NRGcreativ. We have the front mounts, the side mounts, and we have the rear mounts, and multiple options. Put them hands back where they go, leave the video into us, and grab you some incredible shots like these. Guys, you can't beat these mounts.